If you've ever wondered, is home ownership really worth it? Is it still a smart investment? Or is it just something that society tells us to do? Today, I'm going to share with you the real truth about home ownership. I'll share with you the good, the hard, and give you some strategies so that you can make a wise decision when it comes to home ownership. Because home ownership isn't about keys and closing day. It's about stewardship, strategy, and long-term positioning. By the way, I'm Deborah Taylor, a licensed real estate agent servicing the greater Memphis region and a certified probate specialist. And in this video, we're going to go a little bit further into what it means to being a homeowner. So here's the truth. When it comes to home ownership, a lot of people don't really tell you that it's not always easy, that it's not glamorous, and it definitely isn't cheap. When it comes to home ownership, you're responsible for maintenance, repairs, property taxes, insurance, market fluctuations, and having a long-term commitment. If the roof leaks, that's you. If the HVAC breaks, that's you. If property taxes increase, that's you. When it comes to lawn care and pest control, that's you. Home ownership is about responsibility. It requires a new level of maturity and financial planning. But here's what most people miss. Home ownership is also one of the most powerful wealth building tools available to everyday families. So here's some financial benefits of home ownership. Home ownership provides equity building. Every mortgage payment you make builds equity. When you rent, you build the landlord's equity. But home ownership builds yours. When it comes to appreciation, historically, real estate appreciates over time. Not every year, not in a straight line, but long-term real estate tends to increase in value. That appreciation can create net worth growth, leverage for future purchases, intergenerational wealth. When it comes to payment security, with a fixed rate mortgage, your principal and interest payments stay stable. Rent, that will increase. So with a fixed mortgage rate, predictability creates peace. There are also tax advantages. Homeowners may benefit from mortgage interest deductions, property tax deductions, capital gain exclusions when selling, if the requirements are met. But I want to caution you here. Always consult with a tax professional. But at the end of the day, there are real financial advantages built into home ownership. Oh, and by the way, did I tell you that home ownership creates control and freedom? You can paint the walls, renovate the bathroom, build equity through improvements, rent out a room, add value intentionally. And guess what? You don't have to ask permission. Ownership gives you control. Home ownership also provides you with emotional and legacy benefits. This part is often overlooked. Home ownership can create stability for your children, your spouse, or whoever you decide to pass your home on to. It provides you with community roots, a place of peace and pride, and long-term security. And in many families, a home becomes an inheritance, a stepping stone, a foundation for generational wealth. Real estate isn't just an asset, it's a legacy vehicle. But I understand there are times when homeownership just may not be right. And let's be honest, homeownership may not be for you if you plan to move within 1 to 2 years, if you don't have the financial reserves, if you're in unstable employment, if you don't like responsibility, or if you're carrying unmanageable debt. Buying a home too early can cause stress instead of stability. So the goal isn't just to buy a home, it's to buy wisely. Wisdom comes with home ownership. So the real truth about home ownership is not a get rich quick plan. It requires long-term positioning. It requires patience, planning, financial discipline, and a vision beyond today. And when it's done wisely, it can transform your financial. So here's my final thought. Homeownership isn't about the hype, it's about stewardship. It's about asking the right question. Does this align with my current season? Can I sustain it responsibly? Am I looking forward to building something long term? If you answered yes, then home ownership can be one of the most powerful decisions you can make. If it's not, there's no shame in preparing first. So if you're consider buying and want clarity, I'm happy to walk you through your options. Feel free to drop your questions in the comments below or reach out to me directly for a strategy conversation, because informed decisions help you navigate the home buying process and build a stable future. Until next time, bye y'all.